Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Look, guys, look. There's a giraffe here. It has long neck. Guys, look. It has long neck to reach all of the branches to eat. You know, guys? Guys, go to the zoo and watch that. Comment down below, okay? It's the link of the description here. Okay, let's spell. Giraffe. Look at the letter first, you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about this animal. Last time I forgot to spell, you guys. Okay, we're gonna spell it. So this is a panda. Look at the panda. It has nice. It's color white and black. Okay, the spell it. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Okay, a panda. So this is a lion. Look at the lion, you guys. The lion kind of angry. Sometimes it gets really kind of bad lion. So let's spell the lion, you guys. So L-I-O-N. Look, lion. So this is an elephant. Look at the elephant, you guys. Elephant spell E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Look, an elephant. Look at the color, guys. Any color they like from this elephant. And this nose is for it drinks water and just pours all of the water out. You know, guys? You guys go to the zoo and see that? Yes? Okay. Nice. So this is a rhino. Look at the rhino, you guys. The rhino looks nice. Color is kind of bluish. Black. So let's spell it. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Look, it's a rhino. Okay? Rhino. So this is a tiger. Look at the tiger, you guys. Look. Tiger have 3 colors in each. White, orange, and black. Look. And look at the whisker. Whisker is kind of long too, you guys. Let's just spell it. So we're gonna know all of the tiger, each of you guys, okay? So tiger spell T-I-G-E-R. Look, tiger is a tiger. See? Look at the tiger. So this is a giraffe. Look, guys, look. There's a giraffe here. It has long neck. Guys, look. It has long neck to reach all of the branches to eat. You know, guys? Guys, go to the zoo and watch that. Comment down below, okay? It's the link of the description here. Okay, let's spell. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Look at the letter first, you guys. Guys know it? Okay.